Most people quit not because the task is impossible, but because the feeling of struggle is intolerable. Doing hard things is not about talent or luck, it's a skill. You can train yourself to be comfortable with discomfort, the same way you train a muscle, progressively, deliberately, and with feedback. Your brain is wired to avoid pain and conserve energy. That's why any difficult task feels threatening. The signal is discomfort. But discomfort is not danger. Once you learn to sit with that feeling, you stop being controlled by it. The first rule is to start small and repeat. Habits form through repetition. In one well-known study, researchers at University College London found it took an average of 66 days for a new habit to feel automatic. The lesson is simple. Choose a micro-action you can repeat daily. If your goal is an hour of writing, begin with 10 focused minutes after breakfast. Show up every day. Repetition teaches your brain that the discomfort is safe, and it reduces over time. The second rule is graded exposure. Don't attack the hardest version of the task on day one. Exposure research shows that anxiety and avoidance decrease when you repeatedly face challenges in small, controlled doses. Create a ladder of difficulty. Start where the challenge is uncomfortable but not overwhelming. Stay there until your distress drops, then move to the next rung. Step by step, what once felt impossible becomes tolerable. The third rule is to reframe the sensation. Cognitive reappraisal studies show that when people reinterpret their emotions, they regulate them more effectively. When you feel anxiety, label it, "This is anxiety, not danger." Then reframe it, "This surge is my brain adapting. This is productive." That single shift changes panic into fuel. The fourth rule is to train your physiology. Slow-paced breathing has been shown in systematic reviews to increase heart rate variability and lower anxiety. Before or during a difficult task, inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 6. Do that for 2 minutes. When you calm the body, the mind follows. The fifth rule is to anchor the discomfort to purpose. Research on grit and deliberate practice shows that people who connect their effort to a larger purpose persist longer. Pain without meaning is just pain. Pain with purpose becomes growth. Make your purpose clear, then reward the process, not just the outcome. Praise yourself for showing up, not just for winning. The sixth rule is to inoculate yourself with stress once a week. Stress inoculation protocols in psychology prove that rehearsing under controlled stress builds resilience. So once a week, deliberately do something a little harder than normal. A cold shower, a mock presentation, a timed run. Apply the tools, reframing, breathing, exposure. Over time, stress becomes practice, not panic. Here are common pitfalls. Going too hard too fast spikes fear and backfires. Cut the intensity in half and repeat more often. Obsessing about outcomes makes you quit early. Instead, measure how many times you showed up. And skipping tracking leaves you blind. A simple log of action and discomfort rating keeps you honest. One practical challenge. For the next 7 days, pick one micro-action you've been avoiding. Do it for 5 minutes each day. Before you start, breathe slowly for 2 minutes. When the discomfort rises, label it and reframe it. On day 4, make the task slightly harder. On day 7, review your notes. If your discomfort is dropping, you're building tolerance. Hard things stop feeling hard when you make discomfort predictable, understandable, and manageable. The goal isn't to eliminate the struggle, it's to train your mind and body to see it as normal. Discomfort is the price of growth. Get comfortable paying it.